My name is Russ Braden. I'm the president and CEO of Assurance Filtration and Equipment and the creator of the ChangeOVR product line of replacement filter elements. With ChangeOVR, you never have to worry about buying a non-OEM part. And why is because we've built this product line around a complete understanding of the process conditions and specifications for which they were originally designed and specified to the OEM. This includes criteria such as filtration efficiencies, flows, pressure drops, all of the things that you as an engineer or a buyer are concerned about. The product that we build goes way beyond the term that you often hear of just form, fit, and function. Our goal is to build exact replacement filter elements. How do we do that? We do that by taking the OEM parts layer by layer and doing the analysis of it that includes the media, the wire mesh, the pore diameters of the perf tubes, so that when we finish a product, we have an exact replacement built down to very tight tolerances so that we give you an assurance that it's going to fit, yes, but it's also going to perform like the original OEM part. You're going to find our prices to be very, very competitive against the OEM price points that are in the market around the world.
Packaging is important to us. Each part is double shrink wrapped to ensure cleanliness at the point of installation.
I created the ChangeOVR product line to deliver a better product at a better price point with a guarantee that we stand by from a company that you could trust.